A new video from the channel. This time we'll see how to share full screen reels on Instagram stories. So let's start. Well, first, if we go to reels and you want to share this reel on your Instagram account on stories, just click here and you will find add to story. However, as you know, when you do it, the story will only share 1 minute or 15 seconds. So that's a problem, and we want to share the full reel. So for sharing the full reel, let's back again and let's go to copy link here in the same option, copy link. Okay, now that we copy the link, let's go to Google Play Store, and here you will find an app called Repost for Instagram. Okay, here you will find it that says Repost for Instagram posts and stories. So in this case, I have this app on my device. So now let's click on open. Then just click add to story, and this will add to your Instagram story complete, as you can see. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.